How to sign in to LinkedIn account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to sign in into your LinkedIn account. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the LinkedIn applications on your device. Then you will reach on the welcome screen of LinkedIn where you have got the different options in order to sign in. Simply you can tap on sign in at button or continue with Google and Facebook. Also, you can sign in with your Apple ID. For now, let's select email or phone number. So once you enter all the credentials, if you wish to allow post notifications, you can simply tap on continue button or else you can tap skip for now. Once you do that, you need to tap allow button again. And then you will successfully sign into your LinkedIn account. So I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.